Yeah, I made some good progress over the weekend. Just thought I'd show how everything went. So I flushed the radiator really good, and you can see it kind of just goes from the actual greenish blue coolant to really dirty to a lot better. So I went through about 8 gallons. And so here, got the new water pump in, and all the hoses connected. I actually was able to find new hoses, so I got those ordered. Those will be here hopefully soon. Put a new belt on here, so I had to figure out how to do that. But I already had the tensioner off, so it wasn't too bad. The thing that I had to figure out here is this piece. And so, I mean, I guess if it was working like it's supposed to, I wouldn't have to figure it out. The problem is, if you turn it, it doesn't matter if you turn it clockwise or counterclockwise, it's not gripping onto the threading there. So that little piece, the nut there, is actually supposed to help increase the tension on the belt. And so, it might be hard to see, but there's like a little pointer down there, and as you tighten it, it's supposed to go to the left, to the edge of that triangle. And so I just cannot get this thing gripping. You can even see in the inside of there, like it's lined up, it's in there. So I mean, I've put some force on it, hammered it in. I'm not sure what's going on with it. I'll probably just have to get a new nut, take these hoses off again, and then get in there and take the tensioner out and redo that. So not looking forward to that, but yeah. Here, let's give it, let's start it up. All right, so the car started up. You can hear how noisy that belt is because it's not tight enough. So before I really go drive it anywhere, I need to get that addressed and figure out how to get that tightened. But yeah, seems like the water pump's good. I did a leak test on it for, let it sit there for about an hour before I finished putting everything back together. And so that looks good too. I'll turn it off. Yeah. Overall, pretty happy about everything. Yeah, really wish this stupid thing would work out, but I'll get that figured out next. Then I can put the shroud back on. And yeah, I didn't have to take that off. I put the belt on without that. Just using what was in the owner's manual. Cleaned off a lot of parts as I could going through there. Yeah, there's a new radiator cap. There's a new oil filler cap here. Yep, good weekend.